triple brake. As in the changes of triple time step to single time step and double time step, that same difference will occur from triple brake to the difference of single brake and double brake. Check back on all my videos, check your time step ones first, and then all the brakes in the right order, single, double, triple, to know the differences. A reminder, the difference of triple is a shuffle to the side. So, recap of single brake: shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. That end part's always the same. So single was shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. Double brake was a tap spring in the middle. Shuffle, hop, tap, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. Shuffle, hop, tap, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. So if you remember, the triple time step had a shuffle to the side, so that's what we will add in the triple brake. So we will do for a triple brake, shuffle, hop, the same as all the others, then we add the extra bit, shuffle to the side, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. Do you see how the beginning and the end is always the same for brakes? It's just that middle part that changes it from single, double or triple. So again, triple brake. Shuffle, hop, shuffle to the side, spring. And then the same ending as all the others, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. From the other side, so you can copy along. Copy in the same foot, starting with the right foot, remember always for tap. Triple brake. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. Do you notice there's a shuffle every alternate word? That's a good way to see if you're correct on the triple brake. Try and say the words as you do the steps. It really helps you to remember it like a song. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. A bit faster. So by now, if you're really good, you should be able to do a whole combination of brakes and time steps mixed together. For example, single time steps and single brakes. Brake, time step, brake. Two double time steps, double brake. Two double time steps, double brake.